In this video, you'll learn how to use and dispose of an APR-type Petainer keg. First of all, always follow our safety guidelines when using Petainer kegs. If you need any further advice or information, please visit our website, petainer.com. Ensure you have the correct dispensing head. The dispensing head has two connections, gas in and product out. The easiest and safest way to move a Petainer keg is to use the handholds in the sides of the box. Remember to keep the Petainer keg in its box during use. Ensure you use the correct gas at the correct tapping pressure. Remove the top of the box. Remove the protective cap. Sterilize the Petainer keg fitting and the dispensing head. Slide the dispensing head completely onto the Petainer keg fitting, then push down the handle. Dispense some product to rinse the pipework and tap. The Petainer keg can be uncoupled and recoupled during use if needed. Take care, the Petainer keg is pressurized. Wrap a clean cloth around the Petainer keg fitting and dispensing head. Lift the handle. Slowly and gently slide off the dispensing head. The pressure in the Petainer keg will be released through the automatic release valve in the fitting. Dry the fitting with a clean cloth or paper towel. Cover the top of the fitting and recouple it as soon as possible. Sterilize the Petainer keg fitting and the dispensing head. Slide the dispensing head completely onto the Petainer keg fitting. Then push down the handle. Dispense some product to rinse the pipework and tap. When the Petainer keg has been emptied and decoupled, and the pressure has been released by the automatic release valve in the top, it can be flattened. To reduce storage space, flatten the Petainer keg. Keep one foot on the floor to maintain your balance, and flatten the keg with your other foot. Flatten the box. Recycle in accordance with local rules and regulations.